Hey guys, what's going on? Tyler here with Boost Junkie Media, and today I'm going to bring you another video. Today we're going to be helping out a friend of mine, Chris, with his S550. He's doing a set of long tube headers, so we're going to be doing that install. It's first set I've done, should be pretty fun. Hopefully it's not as bad as I've read that it is, but should be a great learning experience. So hopefully things go well. I'm sure they will. And Chris's car is already really fast. It's Roushcharged S550. Should make it even faster, and yeah, it should be a good time. So please come with us. Unboxing of Kooks long tube headers.
All right, we got this little mint pipe.
All kinds of good stuff here.
That's weird.
Oh, there's the first one. I see it.
Oh, look how shiny that is.
Enjoy it, because it won't be that way for long.
Lights.
Oh, Chris, did you want to get those coated? I'm just messing with you because right now would not be the time to say,
right.
Yeah.
That would be a Chris move,
yeah,
though.
that's what I'm saying.
That would be a Chris move to say, you know what, guys? I forgot to get these coated. Let's go ahead and put it all back together.
Exactly.
Well, on a Saturday, can we just get it, ceramic coated real quick?
Yeah, we'll just pull it off real quick.
Ooh, there's something sitting there.
Nice.
Interesting.
Is there anything else here? Is that all paper? Alright, it's all paper.
You made a grand assumption, really.
Yeah, I've done that a few times where I thought it was all paper, and then a package of bolts was wrapped up in that paper. Here, it gets clamps here. Those are just clamps.
Okay.
I'm assuming maybe in that says gasket box. There's probably bolts in there. Decals and instructions.
There we go.
Oh, there's stage 8. Stage 8 locking header bolts. Very nice. Cool.
So
This is what comes with the Kooks long tubes. Header bolts, stage 8 locking. Ball and socket kit, stage 8 locking. New gaskets, and O2 extensions. Just one?
yeah, just one.
I guess one only needs it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And gaskets in.
And Cometic.
And manufacturer's
Very nice.
suggested opinion.
Awesome. Hey guys, so Tyler here. So yesterday we did Chris's install and we didn't quite get finished up. We got a couple things we got to do, so we're going back today to finish up. Got a couple bolts to tighten down, put the rest of the exhaust on, a few things like that. I'm actually waiting on Chris right now. He's coming. Here he comes with his truck, and we're gonna head back over to Rent-A-Lift and knock this out. All right. So here we are at Rent-A-Lift. We just finished. Chris, how do you feel?
Excited.
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 Let's take a look. Start here at the back. Alignment's pretty good on the tips. That took us a little while to get straight, but everything looks pretty good. And we'll start here at the back. We'll just kind of pan forward. Everything looks good, everything's tightened down. The twos are in. Kooks headers are everything everyone says them to be. They're pretty awesome. Great fitment, great finish. And everyone was also right. Long tube headers on an S550 are a bitch. First fire up. Long tube S550.
Ready?
Contact!